callback plus topic intro. Last time we gave the model many eyes, multi-head attention, and each head mixed the tokens together so every word could finally hear the rest of the sentence. But hearing isn't thinking. Once a token has gathered what it heard, it needs a moment to actually process it. So today we build the thing that does both, the transformer block. It's the single Lego brick the whole GPT is made of, and by the end of this episode you will have assembled one from parts you already wrote. Talk then think rhythm. Here's the rhythm of the whole architecture, and it's simpler than it sounds. Every block does two things in order. First it communicates, that's attention, tokens passing information around. Then it computes. Each token sits alone and works on what it just received. Talk, then think. Talk, then think. Stack that pattern deep enough and you get something that can write code and poetry. Two sublayers, one rhythm. The feed-forward MLP. The think half is an old friend. It's the exact same linear ReLU linear sandwich we built back in part 2. A little multi-layer perceptron. The only twist is where it runs. It runs on every token independently after attention has handed that token its context. One small detail that matters: the hidden layer is 4 times wider than the input. The block fans out to give itself room to compute, then squeezes back down. Expand to think, contract to fit. Residual connections. Now the part that quietly makes everything work: residual connections. Instead of replacing a token's vector with the sublayer's output, we add the output back onto the original. X plus attention of X. The sublayer only has to learn the change, the little nudge, and the original information rides straight through, untouched, on what people call the residual stream. Think of it as an information highway running the length of the network, with each sublayer merging in a small contribution. Why residuals matter? Why does that matter so much? Picture a stack of 40 blocks with no highway. A gradient trying to reach the bottom layer has to squeeze back through 40 transformations, and it shrinks a little at each one until at the bottom there's almost nothing left to learn from. That's the vanishing gradient, and it's why deep nets used to be untrainable. The residual highway gives the gradient a clean straight road home. Add the skips and suddenly you can train networks that are dozens of layers deep. Layer norm. There's one more stabilizer, layer norm. As signals flow through dozens of layers, the numbers inside a token's vector can drift, some huge, some tiny, and training goes haywire. Layer norm fixes that per token. It takes each token's vector, recenters it to mean 0, rescales it to a steady size, and lets the model learn a gentle adjustment on top. It keeps the numbers sane so the optimizer can actually do its job. Prenorm pattern. And where you put the norm turns out to matter. The original paper normalized after each sublayer. The modern recipe, the one every serious GPT uses now, normalizes before. We normalize the input, feed the clean version to attention or the MLP, and add the raw output back to the highway. Prenorm keeps the residual stream pristine all the way through, and it's far easier to train deep. That's why our code reads X plus RTN ln1x. Norm first, then the sublayer. Shape in row, shape out. Put it all together and the magic property folds out. Shape in equals shape out. 4 sequences, 8 tokens each. 32 numbers per token go in. And 4 by 8 by 32 comes back out. The block changes the contents of every vector but never its dimensions. And that's the whole point. Because the output looks exactly like the input, you can feed one block's output straight into the next and the next forever. It's a Lego brick. Now let's read the code. Overview. Here's block.py and it's 2 pages. Page 1 defines our reusable parts, the feed-forward MLP and our compact attention wrapper. Page 2 builds the block and runs a real shape check. Notice how little code this is. Almost all the heavy lifting was done in earlier episodes. Today we are mostly just wiring. Imports plus stand in attention. Up top, the usual imports, torch and torch, nn. Then a compact multi-head attention, the module we built last episode, included here so the file runs on its own. The contract is all that matters. It takes a tensor-shaped batch by time by channels and returns the exact same shape, with each token now carrying context from the others. No mask yet. For now, every token sees every other token. The causal mask is the one thing we add when we turn this into a real GPT next episode. The feed-forward MLP. Here's the think half. Feed-forward is linear, then ReLU, then linear. The first layer expands from nEMBD up to 4nEMBD. That's the 4 times widening. And the second projects back down to nEMBD so the shape survives. Linear, activation, linear. The same MLP from part 2, now doing per token computation. The block, the 2 sub-layers. Now block and watch the constructor. We make a multi-head attention, a feed-forward, and 2 layer norms, ln1 and ln2, one to clean the input before each sub-layer. That's the whole inventory, communicate, compute, and 2 stabilizers, 4 lines of setup for the single most important unit in modern AI. The forward pass, residual plus prenorm. And here's the heart of the episode, 2 lines, x plus, self, ATN self$1x, normalize, attend, add back to the highway, then x subparameter x plus self, ffwd self$2x. Normalize, think, add back again. The x plus on both lines is the residual skip. The norm tucked inside each call is prenorm. Read it out loud, talk, then think. Each one a gentle nudge onto the stream. The shape check run plus parameter count. Finally, we prove the property. We make a random tensor, 4 sequences, 8 tokens, 32 channels, build one block and pass it through. We print the input shape, the output shape, and a little note that they match, so blocks are stackable. Then we sum every parameter's element count to see how heavy one brick is. About 12,500 for this tiny config. Run it and the output panel tells the whole story.